That one single message on your PS4 could actually brick your console. No, this is not clickbait. Stay tuned, we'll show you how to fix that. What is up, guys? Ryan Rigg here, Fast Electronic and Loud. Today we're taking a look at what has gone on this weekend regarding this glitch, this report of a bunch of users getting their PS4 bricked. Whether it be an old PS4, brand new PS4, what is happening is there is a message that is going out like mass messages, regular message you'd get from, your friends on your console. And what is happening, that message is basically a square box, an empty square box with a question mark inside. I don't want to put it anywhere near the video. Heaven forbid we brick anyone's video or YouTube viewing experience. Not that that would happen. I do have a background in computer science, but nonetheless, let's focus on the fruit of the video. So apparently opening this message is bricking users' console. They're having to do factory resets. Some of them are having to do like a soft boot and boot up the console into safe mode. So we're going to take a look at that, why that's happening. There's been no yet announcement from Sony confirming this actual hack and major glitch, but if you can cruise online, take a look at Twitter, or if you're taking a look at just reading articles on the internet, you can read a lot about what's going on regarding this glitch and the hack and how many users are actually impacted. So I'm not really sure what the the long-term impact going to be here. I would assume there's going to be a fix for it, but that is correct. During the video we talked about a quick fix to prevent this from happening. So hopefully you have not got your console bricked yet, but let's take a look, and I'm going to show you how to, during this video, how to avoid this potential new hack that's going out with messages. Now it's going to involve adjusting your privacy settings, which is okay. A little bit better be safe than sorry. So what we're going to do, we're going to go over to messages. Okay, we're going to go into your messages tab. That's the easiest way to get to it. Now we're going to go ahead and see the options menu. Yes, options menu, and we're going to go to privacy settings. Now it's going to prompt a sign-in screen, so you're going to want to make sure you sign in with your PSN credentials. Go ahead and get yourself signed in, and once you do sign in, click OK. It's going to take you to the next screen, which is where the important step is. Now, I went ahead and set mine to messages no one and then confirm that. They're recommending set it to friends only or to no one, just to be on the ultimate safe side. That way you don't actually receive this message. There is another workaround where you're actually able to delete the message via the mobile app, viewing the message on the mobile app, and then going back in and factory resetting your console. So make sure you go in, adjust those settings to private, get that set to either private or no one for your messages. That way you don't get bricked up until the time Sony announces some, hot fix or a new update, a workaround. We want to make sure you guys keep those consoles dialed in, especially with Black Ops 4 around the corner and everyone playing it. It's not really around the corner because it's here, but we want to make sure you guys are staying safe with the consoles. So pay attention. Go ahead and drop a like on the video. Leave me a comment down below if you've experienced any of this or if any of your friends. Please do share the video. Let someone else know what's going on. It will help them out in regards to this. Make sure you get those settings updated. I don't want to see you guys have a bricked console. But guys, it's Ryan Rigg, Fast Electronic and Loud. Just a quick little video for you and a hot fix to avoid getting bricked on that console. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.